So here we have the Kia Sportage on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by jumping inside the car and running through some controls. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car, which are 12,569. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that, although you can change that information for various bits of trip computer information. We also have other menus available as well. And all of that is done using the buttons just here. We have cruise control over that side as well. On the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, including voice activation. You'll only be able to use the phone buttons once you've paired up the phone to the car, and that is done over on the touchscreen in the center. Hit all menus, and then from there, phone, and follow the instructions on screen. When it comes to music, we've got the radio, of course. This car's got DAB, FM, and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Nothing is connected at the moment, which is why that's grayed out. You can listen to your music via USB input. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. And if you connect up your smartphone via USB, we have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, depending on the phone that you have. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll also see we have a full color reversing camera as well. Working our way down from that, we have the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction of the air. This button turns your air conditioning off and on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car as well, making it a great way of heating the car up or cooling the car down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set over here. Just above that, we also have the main volume for the stereo, and these buttons, if you'd rather use those than the touchscreen, which might be easier as you're driving the car, but yeah, you can use those or the touchscreen. Below that, we have two 12-volt charging sockets and the USB input that I mentioned a moment ago, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox. This last button turns on, I can show you on here, the downhill brake control, and it will turn that system off as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.